New topic of the chapter vector algebra is product of two vectors. The first is the scalar product of two vectors. The scalar product means here is a two vectors A and B. The scalar product means vector A dot B. A dot B equal to magnitude of A vector into magnitude of B vector into cos theta. We can say that AB cos theta. If theta equal to 0, if theta equal to 90 degree, theta equal to 90 degree means two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, the product of these two vectors equal to 0. Okay. A dot B is a real number. It is a real number. If theta equal to 0 degree, theta equal to 0 degree, it means the product of these two vectors equal to the magnitude of these two vectors. Okay. And if theta equal to pi, then the dot product of two vectors equal to the minus, because cos pi equal to minus 1, it is this. Okay. In the view of this, the weekend product in which I dot I equal to K dot K equal to J dot J equal to 1, and I dot J, J dot K or K dot I equal to 0. In the dot product, I into I, J into J and K into K equal to 1, and I dot J, J dot K or K dot I equal to 0. If you find the angle between two, if they find two angle theta, so we can write cos theta equal to product dot product divided by the magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Okay. So now theta equal to cos inverse A dot B by AB. Okay. This is the theta. Exercise 10.3. Find the angle between two vectors A and B with the magnitude √3 and 2, respectively, having A dot B equal to √6. The magnitude of vector is √3. It means A equal to √3 and vector B equal to 2, and A dot B equal to √6. Now using formula of cos theta, it is equal to the product divided by, it is equal to √6 and √3 into √2. √2 से √6 कैंसिल करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, सॉरी √3 से इसको कैंसिल, √2 यानी 1/√2. cos theta equal to 1/√2. Therefore, theta equal to 1/√2 is the value of cos pi by 4. It means theta equal to pi by 4, 45 degree. Question number 2. Find the angle between the vectors I minus 2j plus 3k and 3i minus 2j plus k. The vector A equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. Okay. And B vector equal to 3i minus 2j plus k. Now the magnitude of A vector under root 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 3 square. 9 plus 13, it is equal to √14. And magnitude of B vector 3 square minus 2 square plus 1 square. It is also equal to √14. Now product, dot product of these two, I minus 2j plus 3k, 3i minus 2j plus k. it is equal to the 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1. It is equal to the 6 plus 4, 10. Now the cos theta equal to A dot B by the magnitude. It is 10 by root 14 into root 14. It means 10 by 14 yani 5 by 7. Cancel. The theta equal to cos inverse 5 by 7. The question number 3. Find the projection of the vector I minus j on the vector I plus j. Okay. The vector A equal to I minus j and B vector equal to I plus j. Now find the projection of the vector A on B. The formula is 1 upon B. On B means B modulus and A dot B. The B value of B equal to under root 1 square plus 1 square. I plus j 1 square plus 1 and dot product of 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 1. 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1. It is equal to 0. 1 by root 2 into 0 equal to 0. The projection is 0. The projection of vector A on B is 0. You can write projection of vector A means I minus j on I plus j equal to 0. Question number 4. Find the projection of a vector I plus 3j plus 7k on the vector 7i minus j plus k 8k. Suppose it is a vector A and it is a vector B. Find the projection of vector A on B. A and B vector. The projection of vector A on vector B. The formula is 1 upon vector and product of these two. Okay. Now the B under root 7 square plus minus 1 square plus 8 square and product of these two 1 into 7 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 7 into 8. It is equal to the 1 upon 49 plus 1 50. 50 plus 64 114 and it is equal to the 7 minus 3 4. 56 plus 4 it is 60. The answer is 60 by root 114. This is the projection of A on B. Question number 5. Show that each of the given three vectors is a unit vector. There are three vectors given. It is a unit vector and also show that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. It means perpendicular means A dot B equal to 0. Here are the three vectors. These are the three vectors. Suppose the first vector is equal to the A vector, second B vector and third is C vector. The first find the values of vector A. It is the equal to the under root 2 by 7 whole square plus 3 by 7 whole square plus 6 by 7 whole square. Now solve. 49 in the denominator, 4 plus 9 plus 36. 45 over 49. It is equal to the 1. It means vector A is a unit vector. Now show a vector B. Vector B is under root 3/7 whole square plus minus 6/7 whole square plus 2/7 whole square. Now same process, take under root LCM 49, 9 plus 36 plus 4. It is also equal to the 49/49, 1. Yani vector B is also a unit vector, and third vector C. The value of C is 6/7, 2/7 minus 3/7. 6/7 plus 3/7 plus minus 2/7. Solve. 49, 36 plus 9 plus 4. It is also equal to 1. It means A, B, C are the unit vector. Now prove that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. That the perpendicular to each other means the product of two vectors equal to 0. It means they are perpendicular to each other. Now the vector AB, 2/7 into 3/7, 2/7 into 3/7 plus 3/7 into minus 6/7 into minus 6/7, and the third 6/7 into 2/7. Now solve. 3 to just 6 minus 18 plus 12 divided by 49. It is equal to 0. Okay. Next, they are perpendicular to each other. If the product is 0 means this. B and C same. 3/7 into 6/7 plus minus 6/7 2/7 plus 2/7 minus 3/7. Same 18 minus 12 minus 6 by 49. It is also 0. It means B and C are perpendicular to each other. Now A into C. Vector A into C vector. A is 2/7 into 6/7 plus 3/7 into 2/7. And the third is 6/7 minus 3/7. This is a product. It means 12 plus 6 minus 18 by 49. It is also equal to 0. Therefore, the given three vectors are perpendicular to each other. You can write the given vectors are perpendicular to each other. Are perpendicular to each other. Okay. The next question number 6. 6. If A and B, find A and B if A plus B into A minus B equal to 8 and vector A equal to 8 times of vector B. Find the vector A and vector B. Now given that A vector plus B vector and A vector minus B vector equal to 8. Now the multiply. A vector into A vector plus A vector into B vector minus plus B vector into A vector minus B into B equal to 8. This is equal to 0. We can write vector A square minus vector B square equal to 8. A vector equal to given that 8 times of vector B. It means square. Given that vector A equal to 8 times vector B minus B vector square equal to 8. 64 vector B square minus vector B square equal to 8. 63 यानी vector B square equal to 8 by 63. यानी vector B equal to under root 8 by 63. Now it is equal to the 2 root 2 by 3 root 7. This is the vector B, and vector A equal to 8 times of vector B. It means 8 into 2 root 2 by 3 root 7, and 16 root 2 by 3 root 7. This is the vector A and a vector B. Question number 7. Evaluate the product 3a minus 5b dot 2a plus 7b. 3a minus 5b, 2a plus 7. Simple product equal to the 3 vector A into 2 vector A plus 3 vector A into 7 vector B minus 5 to 2a minus 5b into 7b. It is equal to the 6 vector A square. Okay, 6a into 6a square plus 35 a dot b minus 10 a dot b minus 35 b dot b means b vector square. The answer is 6a square plus 25 7 into 3 21, not the 35 of 21 minus 10 11 AB minus 35 B square. 7 into 3. This is the answer of product. Now question number 8. Find the magnitude of two vectors A and B having the same magnitude and such that the angle between them is 60 degree and their scalar product is 1 by 2. Theta equal to 60 degree and A dot B equal to 1 by 2. There are two vectors such that A vector equal to vector B. Two vectors हैं. Both are equal and their magnitude equal and the product equal to 1 by 2 and theta equal to 60 degree. Okay, theta equal to 60 degree. So we know that the dot product of two vectors equal to the B cos theta. Okay, this is equal to the 1. Vector A equal to vector B, therefore we can write vector A square and cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. It means 1 by 2 equal to into 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancel. It means vector A square equal to 1. Vector A equal to 1. Therefore, it is equal to vector B. The both vectors are equal. Therefore, the each value has 1. Okay. Next question number 9. Find vector x if for a unit vector A into x minus A into x plus A equal to 12. Find x. Find the value of x minus A and x plus B. If the vector unit vector, it is a value of 1. It is given that vector A equal to 1. Now product x vector into x plus x dot A minus A dot x minus A into A equal to 12. It is equal to the mod x square, cancel A square equal to 12. The value of A vector is 1. It means 1 square equal to 13. X square equal to 13. Therefore, x vector equal to root 13. A is a unit vector. Okay. Next question number 10. The question number 10 is if A equal to 2i plus 2j plus 3k, B equal to minus I plus 2j plus k, C equal to 3i plus j are such that A plus lambda B is perpendicular to C. Then find the value of lambda. A plus lambda b is perpendicular to C. तो पहले हम लोग a plus lambda b निकालेंगे, तब दोनों के बीच product equal to 0. Here are three vectors a, b, c. If a plus lambda b is perpendicular to c means the dot product of these two equal to 0. So first we have to find the a vector plus lambda b vector. So a is 2i plus 2j plus 3k, and the lambda multiplied lambda to b minus I plus 2i plus k. Now add 2 minus 1 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda I. Same 2 plus 2 lambda j, and k 3 plus lambda k. Okay, I, j, k common, just add. Now perpendicular to each other, it means the product of these two into c equal to 0. Now put the values. C is 3i means 3 into 2 minus lambda. J is 1 into 2 plus 2 lambda. And k is 0. Okay. So now 0 into 3 plus lambda equal to 0. 3 to the 6 minus 3 lambda plus 2 lambda equal to 0. It is equal to minus lambda plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, the lambda equal to 8. This is the value of lambda. Question number 11. Show that question number 11 is a vector into b, b vector into a is perpendicular to ab minus ba for any two non-zero vectors a and b. This is perpendicular to this. It means the product of these two equal to 0. 0 आएगा product, it means they are perpendicular to each other. Find the product of these two vectors. The first is vector a dot b, vector a dot b vector multiplied to this minus a vector dot b vector dot a, and multiplied to this b dot a dot b minus b into b into a into a. It is equal to the a into a. This equal to whole square. A square into b square minus these two cancel, and it is also equal to the a square dot b square equal to 0. It means they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Question number 12. If a dot a equal to 0 and a dot b equal to 0, then what can be concluded about the vector b? A dot a equal to 0 and a dot b equal to 0. What can be concluded from this? A vector into a vector equal to 0. It means the vector a ka square equal to 0. It means vector a equal to 0. If a vector a into b equal to 0, this is given that. If a vector equal to 0, that b vector is any value vector. b is any vector. कुछ भी हो सकता है. अगर a 0 है तो आंसर तो 0 ही आएगा. तो b any vector. Okay, can be any vector. Question number 13. Very simple question. Question number 13. If a, b, c are unit vectors such that a plus b plus c equal to 0, find the value of a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. ABC are unit vectors. Okay, the value is 1. The vector A plus B plus C equal to 0. Now multiply the vector A both sides. A vector into A 0. So it is equal to the A vector into A vector plus A into B or A into C equal to 0. So it is equal to the 1. 1 plus A dot B plus A dot C equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Now same multiplied by B. Vector B multiplied to both sides. B vector into 0. So it means A vector into B, A dot B, B into B, B dot C equal to 0. These are the unit vector, therefore A dot B plus 1 plus B dot C equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. And the same multiplied by C vector. A plus B plus C equal to C vector into 0. A into C, B dot C plus C dot C equal to 0. Put the value of C dot C equal to 1. These are the unit vectors, therefore the value is equal to 1. Now adding 1, 2 and 3. Adding 1, 2 एंड 3. अब तीनों को ऐड करने से क्या मिलेगा हमको? A डॉट बी प्लस A डॉट सी, A डॉट बी, A डॉट सी प्लस 1. सेकेंड से क्या मिलेगा? A डॉट बी प्लस 1 प्लस B डॉट सी प्लस A डॉट सी प्लस B डॉट सी plus 1 equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0. It means 2 times A dot B, B dot C plus C dot A equal to minus 3. It means A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the value of this. Question number 14. If either vector equal to 0 or B equal to 0, then A dot B equal to 0. Okay. But the converse needs not to be true. Justify your answer with an example. अब इसका उल्टा है, कह रहा है कि अगर ये 0 है तो जरूरी नहीं या तो ये 0 हो या फिर ये. Question number 14. Let us consider the two vectors A vector and B vector. Suppose A vector equal to 2i plus j minus 3k and B vector equal to I plus 4k. ये अपने आप से कोई भी एग्जाम्पल आप ले सकते हैं. प्लस 2k, कोई भी एग्जाम्पल. Now the product of these two, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. 2 plus 4, 6 minus 6 equal to 0. देखिए प्रोडक्ट 0 है, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि दोनों वेक्टर में कोई एक भी 0 हो. हम इनकी वैल्यू निकालेंगे. वेक्टर A इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 3 स्क्वायर. अब इसकी वैल्यू तो 0 नहीं आएगी. 9 प्लस 4 13, एक 14, इट इज रूट 14. सेम वेक्टर बी निकालते हैं. उसको भी मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि प्रोडक्ट 0 है तो उन दोनों में से कोई एक भी 0 हो. देखिए अब इसकी भी वैल्यू क्या होगी? 16 प्लस 4 20 रूट 21. देखिए अब कन्वर्स इसका हो गया ना. ए वेक्टर नॉट इक्वल टू द बी वेक्टर, बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल टू 0 बट द प्रोडक्ट इक्वल टू 0. This is the converse of the given question. Okay. Question number 15. 15 कह रहा है if the vectors ABC of a triangle ABC are 1 2 3 minus 1 0 0 and 0 1 2 respectively, then find angle ABC. Angle ABC is the angle between the vectors BA and BC. Okay, ABC. Now the vector BA, it is equal to the 1 minus 1 I plus 2 minus 0 j plus 3 minus 0 k. It is the vector is 2I plus 2j plus 3k. It is a vector BA. Now vector BC, 0 minus 1 I, 1 minus 0 j and 2 minus 0 k. The vector BC equal to I plus j plus 2k. Okay. Now the product of BA dot BC, 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Okay, the product of these two equal to 2 to 4 and 6, it is equal to the 10. Okay, now the value of BA vector, under root 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, it is equal to root 17. 4 4 8 or 9 17. And vector BC, 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, it means root 6. Okay, now by the formula, the dot product of these two equal to the value of the vector cos theta. cos थीटा, हमको यही एंगल निकालना है. तो बी ए डॉट बी सी कितना आया 10. 10 इक्वल टू रूट 17 इंटू रूट 6 कॉस थीटा. इट मीन्स कॉस थीटा इक्वल टू 10 अपॉन अंडर रूट 102. इट मीन्स एंगल ए बी सी इक्वल टू कॉस इनवर्स 10 by 102. This is the angle between BA and BC. Okay. Question number of 16. Show that the points A127, 263 and 310 minus 1 are collinear. So first we have find the three vectors AB, BC and AC. Then the sum of two vectors equal to the third. It means they are collinear. There are the 3 points A, B, C. Now first find the vector AB. The AB vector equal to the 2 minus 1 I, 6 minus 2 J, 2 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 3 minus 7 plus 3 minus 7 K. It means that this is vector is I plus 4j minus 4k. I plus 4j minus 4k. Now vector BC. It means 3 minus 2 I, फिर 10 minus 6 j and minus 1 minus 3 k. It is equal to the I plus 4j minus 4k. Okay. And the third CA AC. AC vector is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 I, 10 minus 2 j and a minus 1 minus 7 k. It is 2I plus 8j minus 8k. Okay. Now the values of this vector. First one is 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 square. 16, 16, 32, root 33. And the second BC, इसकी भी वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं. 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर, सेम वैल्यू, रूट 33. And the third one is AC, under root 2 square plus 8 square plus minus 8 square. It means 64, 64, 128. It is equal to the 132. Root 132 we can write common to root 33. It means we can say AB vector plus BC equal to AC. Therefore, these are the collinear vector. ABC, points ABC are collinear. You can write A, B, C are collinear points. Okay. Next, question number 17. Second last question. Question number 17 is, show that the vectors, three vectors are form a vertices of right angle triangle. Three vectors हैं, vector A, B and C. Suppose there are three vectors. They are the position vectors. So we can write the first vector, suppose it is a OA, it is a OB, and this is OC. These are the three position vectors. Now find the length of three vectors AB, BC and CA. So now first AB equal to 1 minus 2I, this minus this, plus minus 3, minus 1 is plus 1j, minus 3 plus 1j. And the next 5 minus 5 minus 1, minus 5 minus 1k. It means it is equal to the minus I, minus 2j, minus 6k. This is the vector AB. Now vector BC. BC is 3 minus 1 I plus minus 4 plus 3. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस 3. और नेक्स्ट माइनस 4 प्लस 5k. इट मीन्स इट इज इक्वल टू द 2i minus j plus k. Okay. Now the third AC vector, 2 minus 3 I plus minus 1 plus 4 k and 1 plus 4. माइनस करेंगे तो प्लस 4 हो जाएगा k. तो ये वेक्टर कितना हो गया, माइनस आई प्लस 3k, 3j प्लस 5k, minus I plus a. Now the values of this vector. First vector AB, magnitude of this vector equal to the minus 1 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 6 square. 36 plus 4, 40, 41. It is equal to the root 41. Now vector BC. The magnitude of BC is 2 minus 1 plus 1. 2 square minus 1 square and plus 1 square. It is equal to the root 6. And the vector AC equal to, AC is minus 1, 3, 5. Minus 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. 25 plus 9, 34. It is equal to the root 35. Okay. So now the square of BC, AB. The square of AB is 41. AB square equal to 41. BC square equal to 6. and AC square equal to 35. So we know that BC square plus AC square equal to AB square. It means it is a triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. We know that the sum of the squares of two sides equal to the third side. Therefore, it is a right angle triangle. Okay. And the last question. The last question. If A is the non-zero vector of magnitude A and lambda is a non-zero scalar, then lambda A vector is a unit vector if या तो लैम्डा इक्वल टू 1 हो या -1 हो या लैम्डा हो या ये हो. इन चार ऑप्शन में से कौन सा सही है? लैम्डा ए वेक्टर इक्वल टू दिस. नाउ सी इन द कॉपी. गिवन दैट लैम्डा ए वेक्टर इज ए यूनिट वेक्टर, इट मीन्स लैम्डा इंटू ए वेक्टर इक्वल टू 1. ए वेक्टर इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? 1 अपॉन लैम्डा यूनिट. बट लैम्डा इज ए scalar unit, so we can say that A vector equal to 1 upon lambda. So D option is right. Okay, the correct answer is D. Thank you.